Hey everybody. Didn't do the road construction that's going on right now, but they are going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Don't really feel much like doing it right now, but I did make pineapple bars, so you will get to them, I'm sure, later. Well, right now they're cooling. But I just wanted to tell you, uh, they're still doing the thing out there. But I don't have don't have the strength to take them right now. So, it's going to be Friday. It is Friday, actually. Friday, the last day of July in 2020. Wow. So, I hope you have a good day. Be blessed, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.